My name is Michael Land. I'm a tattoo artist at Mike's Empire. Today we're going to cover how to clean your equipment and utensils. This is a very important matter. Cleaning is very important in every area, even with the health department. You must make sure your tattoo environment is clean. All your equipment must be FDA approved. You have to also make sure all your needles are new and packaged. Make sure you use disposable tubing. If you don't use disposable tubing and you're using actual metal tips, make sure you have an autoclave to keep it clean, and also have it your doctrine down on when you clean it, when it's last cleaned, what dates, what time. All this will be checked when the health department comes into the building. Trust me, I've been in a situation and it's not nice. You get a fine, you get wrote up, and a lot of things go from there. You can lose your license and your business. So the cleaning department on your business is very, very important. Another good thing to do is let your customers see you open a needle and actually throw the needle into the needle dispensary, which is a box type substance that's used to store needles when they're already being used. And then you have a company come by and pick them up, and they'll destroy them from there. So this is how you cover the cleaning department of a tattoo shop and a tattoo area that you're working in. Make sure all your ink is updated. Make sure your tattoo guns are wiped off with cleaning chemicals that won't fade the gun out, be able to clean it. And once again, everything must be FDA approved. Thank you. I'm Michael Land. This is how you clean your utensils in your shop.